Okay, check this meter out right now. I've been home for about 3 hours, about 3 hours or so, and right now my meter is basically reading that I basically used about 3 kilowatts per hour. I'm not doing anything. I got my computer on, I got my light on. I'm the only one who's home. My sister does live here, but I'm going to keep monitoring this because very possibly uh, the, uh, the meter, well, not the meter itself, but the line that's going in is sabotaged. So I'm thinking that they're going to try to stick me with that $1,000 bills, the $1,000 bills to make it seem like I'm using power like that, but I'm not. Okay. So maybe I'll get a forensic team in here to basically, go through all of my electronics just to see how much energy that I'm actually using. All right. So I'm going to keep an eye on this, you know, going forward, posting it every now and again, just to make sure that the electric company is actually uh, on the level. All right.